Hello guys, today our friends of llano have sent us this dual camera battery and charger set for the Sony CV1. Okay, this is a replacement for the battery's NPBX1. Okay, it also includes a charger with a USB-C connector. Okay, this is a very needed upgrade because the charger for the CV1 actually has a micro USB. Most likely I don't even carry those cables anymore. So whenever I'm doing, my, blogs outside, most likely I don't have a micro USB anymore and I run out of battery. Well, this set is definitely going to resolve my issue because not only it includes two more batteries, okay, it includes also two slots for the memory cards, okay, and it also includes a display that's going to tell me how much battery I have left in this battery. So now I can actually charge my batteries with the Type-C charger. We also get included this wrist strap right here and this carrying bag. Also, we get a C to C cable, so that way you can actually carry this cable with you and charge your battery case, okay? It's a battery case and charger. Let me show you both of the batteries right here. I have a Sony NPBX1 battery, and this is the llano kind, okay? It is the very same battery, and they fit just the same. You can also use this case to actually put in your Sony batteries, and they will also fit, and the charger will also charge them, okay? So no more carrying this case around. I know this is just much slimmer, and it doesn't occupy a lot of space, but definitely this one, it's not only going to charge your batteries, but also it's going to give you storage for more SD cards. So now you can actually carry everything within this case and also charge your batteries. That could be with your, with your portable battery charger, with your battery bank, or just use any wall charger with a Type-C. This was actually very needed for me because, like I said, the micro USB, that is obsolete, and now everything has a Type-C. So I hope that the information for this llano dual camera battery and charger set was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.